skiing at Gulmarg. You can see this is the starting point of Gondola and number of skiers out here. Waiting for the turn, and we are likely to move shortly up. और हम पहुंच गए हैं फर्स्ट फेज के ऊपर। सरकार की तरफ चलेंगे, उससे पहले थोड़ा सा काम कर लेते हैं। चल दूरिया। So now today is 25th of December 2026 and time right now is approximately 1100 hours, and myself and Dhuriya going towards the Kangdori. You can see this chair car. Dhuriya, what do you say for this first ride of the season?
I'm very happy to be back here. As you know, I'm always into adventure. So I've been eagerly waiting. Though you will say I'm a little pessimist, but we have already spent 25 days of this season. The days have gone, and need to just learn things and have some fun and ski whatever time we have left. But there's a new chapter, new year, and new learning. We'll explore some new boundaries of this place, and that's it.
See, I always believe in spirituality and adventure, Dhuriya. And you know, this whiteness and everything as adventure is only one part of it. It is the expansion of human perspective, human life. Here, I see my expansion only everywhere, and that is how it is. So on this particular issue, myself and Dhuriya thinks on the similar lines here. So what do you say, Dhuriya, on this spirituality and adventure?
See, the one common thing is, like I feel adventure, while I'm into adventure sports, I'm more into the close to the nature and very disconnected from the world, which has a lot of distractions, and I get to know myself when I'm flying or I'm skiing. I'm with myself, and that's what the spiritualism is also the same thing on the similar lines. You have to connect with yourself. These are the means through which I connect with myself, and that's how I feel that adventure, spirituality with adventure, through adventure, or by adventure, that's the kind of a motto of me and I think Kanal Hemchandra's life also, we find spiritualism through our adventure sports.
Yes, I agree with that. Actually, you know, first of all, for going inside, first you have to choose a route. So choosing a route is very important. So once you choose a route, it can be any route. So adventure is also one part of it, although it is very, very gross. And ultimately this gross in only will lead us to subtle, because until you understand the external of nature, you will not understand the internal of the nature. So that is how it is. So let's enjoy the ride now. Now Dhurya and myself are ready. We have come to the chair car lift now, and we'll be going down. This is the first run of the season. Let's see how good it becomes. And we also remember Ram. It is always said that once you read this mantra, Chalat Viman Kulahal Hui Jai Raghuveer Kahat Sab Koi. Chalat Viman Kulahal Hui Jai Raghuveer Kahat Sab Koi. Jai Shri Ram. And now we'll go for the first run. There I'm waiting you out there, Dhurya. Good powder. The powder. Huh? Whew. झुकता नहीं है. चलो 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 शाबाश. अबे फंसा दिया तूने मेरे को. रुकता नहीं है. और ये गए हम, और यहाँ से लिया राइट टर्न. रुकना नहीं है. रुकना नहीं। वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। रुकना नहीं। ये कौन कौन गिरे हुए हैं? गिरना नहीं है। क्यों काटूं? तेरे पीछे आया मैं। मैं तेरे पीछे आया धुरिया। तो तेरे चक्कर में मेरा चक्कर खराब। चल उधर को, चल इधर को, मुझे खींचना। Struck out here, just see him. Dhuriya has gone ahead and now I'm following him like this and oh हैं? क्या? साइड में रहना है, कोई टक्कर मारेगा। चलो साथियों, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। कोई नहीं, गुड गुड गुड। हाँ कौन गया नाली में? आराम से आराम से करना है काम।